Fiona enters a bike store and a clerk greets her.
Hello, how can I assist you today?
Hi, I'm looking for a new bike. I used to ride my classic bike to work every day, but it's broken now. I'm thinking of switching to an e-bike.
That's a great choice, especially for daily journeys. E-bikes provide extra power and make longer rides easier. What's your commute like?
It's about 7 kilometers each way. There are some hills.
For that distance and terrain, I'd recommend a model with a good battery life and a reliable motor. Let me show you some options.
Fiona asks the clerk about 2 of the e-bikes in the store.
Could you tell me about the difference between these 2 e-bikes?
Well, this one is a throttle-controlled e-bike, which works more like a motorcycle. You don't have to pedal if you don't want to.
Sounds easy to use. And the other one?
The other one is a pedal-assisted e-bike. This only provides power when you're pedaling, offering a more traditional biking experience with an extra boost.
I see. So, is the pedal-assisted e-bike better for exercise?
It certainly is.
Then I'll take it. I like to get my blood pumping in the morning.